Hey guys, my name is Carla Calderon. Instagram is always changing and making new updates, and I want to share with you guys a new update that they just came up with, which maybe you haven't even seen before. So continue to watch this video to find out which one it is. If you're like me, probably you're following 500 people or more on Instagram, and let's be honest, we don't have time to be watching all of them, right? So what Instagram has done is that they have made this new update in which you can select certain people that you want and make sure that you get their notifications whenever they post something new or whenever they have a new story. So let's go ahead and get right to the video.
First, get on the Instagram account from which you want to receive notifications from. Click on where it says following. It will give you these options. You could add this person as your close friend, and if you do, you will see the following button turn green. If you want to learn what is the point of adding a person as a close friend, then check out my next video. You can now click on notifications, and then it's going to give you these other options. You can turn on the post, stories, IGTV, and even the live videos. So as soon as this person publishes anything, then you will be getting a notification. And that's it.
Alright you guys, I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so you get notifications as soon as I upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.